Psychological control does not end with awareness. Awareness is only the beginning. To break narcissistic influence, the mind must relearn trust, not in others, but in itself. The first step in disrupting psychological control is recognizing patterns without emotional justification. Control thrives on confusion, when behavior feels unclear, when communication feels unstable, when emotional responses feel conditional. These are not isolated moments, they are systems. Recognition creates distance, and distance weakens influence. The second step is restoring internal reference points. Narcissistic control shifts perception outward. Over time, individuals stop trusting their own reactions and rely on external feedback to feel grounded. Reclaiming autonomy requires reversing this process. Observing emotional responses without correction, allowing discomfort without immediate adaptation, rebuilding confidence in perception. Boundaries are not confrontations, they are limits placed on emotional access. Boundaries interrupt control by reducing regulation opportunities. When emotional reactions are no longer available on demand, influence weakens. Importantly, breaking narcissistic control does not require explanation. It requires consistency. Consistency in behavior, consistency in response, consistency in control often escalates when it is challenged. Silence may increase, approval may disappear, confusion may intensify. These reactions are not failures, they are signals. They indicate disruption over time. The nervous system recalibrates, emotional clarity returns. Expression becomes less filtered, decision-making feels grounded again. Psychological autonomy is not dramatic, it is quiet. It feels like certainty without justification. Understanding these dynamics is not about blame, it is about protection, because influence loses power when perception becomes stable, and control fades when autonomy is restored. This concludes our exploration of narcissistic psychological control. Continue observing patterns. Continue trusting clarity. Subscribe to Dark Mind Theory. And continue exploring the deeper structures of the human mind.